You think you're building the ultimate PC? What if I told you some expert advice is secretly draining your bank account? Today I'm exposing 7 PC build myths that could be costing you big time, and you might believe at least one of them. So before you get comfortable, take a moment to like the video and subscribe, but only if you genuinely enjoy what I do here. Drop your city at the current time in the comments. I love seeing who's up late with me now. Myth 1. More RGB equals more performance. RGB lighting has absolutely no impact on system performance. It's purely cosmetic. No amount of glowing fans, light strips, or illuminated components will increase your frame rates or improve processing speed. Investing hundreds of dollars in flashy lighting is money taken away from parts that actually matter, like a better GPU, more RAM, or a faster CPU. Myth 2. You must buy the most expensive GPU. A $1,600 graphics card paired with a $150 processor. Congrats! You've officially built a bottleneck machine. Even the most expensive GPU can't reach its potential if the rest of your system can't keep up. The key to a great PC isn't about flashy parts or bragging rights. It's about balance. Pair your components wisely, and you'll get smooth performance without wasting money.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Myth 3. Bigger PSU means better PC. A huge power supply won't magically make your PC faster. Most mid-range builds actually run perfectly on a 5150-650W PSU, and choosing one in that range can save you a good chunk of money. The key is picking the right power for your system, not the biggest number on the box. Myth 4. Liquid cooling is always superior. Liquid cooling may look impressive, but it comes with risks, like leaks that can damage your PC. For most users, a quality air cooler is a smarter choice. It's more affordable, easier to install, and can keep your CPU just as cool without the hassle. Myth 5. All motherboards are the same. That $50 motherboard might look just like the $200 one at first glance. But the difference shows up as soon as you put it under a heavy workload. Budget boards often use cheaper chipsets and low-quality VRMs, which means your CPU can start throttling and losing performance when things heat up. The quality of the chipset and power delivery matters way more than most people realize. Myth 6. More RAM equals more speed. Throwing 64 GB of RAM into a budget gaming PC sounds impressive, but it's honestly just wasted money. Unless you're doing heavy tasks like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, or running multiple virtual machines, you'll never use that much. For gaming, anything above 32 GB rarely gives you even a single extra frame per second. It's much smarter to put that money toward a better GPU or CPU instead. Finally, Myth 7. Newer is always better. Believe it or not, last year's high-end components can often outperform this year's budget models and cost a lot less. Shopping used or refurbished can be a smart way to get serious performance without emptying your wallet. Don't overlook the value hidden in the second-hand market. These myths aren't harmless. They're expensive. Build smart, not flash. And that's the end of today's tale. But the journey doesn't stop here. If you'd like to learn how to build a powerful PC in 2025 without breaking the bank, stick around. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share. I've got some game-changing tips coming up.